Welcome to the lucrative world of dropshipping, where the potential for profitability knows no bounds. If you've been searching for the ultimate guide to unlocking high profit margins with Brands Gateway, you're in for a fantastic ride. Picture this: a thriving dropshipping business that fuels your entrepreneurial spirit, grants you financial freedom, and leaves your competitors in awe. It's not a pipe dream. With the right strategies and the right dropshipping supplier, it's an achievable reality. Today, we unveil the secrets of dropshipping success as we dive headfirst into the realm of maximizing your store's profitability with Brands Gateway's high-ticket products. In this gripping journey, we'll learn about the intricate world of profit margins in the luxury fashion market, Brands Gateway's capability to help you drive significant sales, setting up your own profit margins when selling Brands Gateway's products. So fasten your seatbelts, entrepreneurs, as we embark on an adventure that will teach you how to build a dropshipping business with sustainable profitability. Profit margins aren't merely numbers on a spreadsheet. They are the key success drivers behind your thriving clothing dropshipping business. They play a pivotal role in managing business expenses, earning good profits, and most importantly, securing longevity for your store. Setting up good margins pretty much draws the difference between running a business that merely survives and steering one that experiences constant growth. That being said, here are the main benefits selling fashion products with high profit dropshipping margins brings to your business. Higher revenue. Focusing on fashion products with higher profit margins allows you to generate more revenue. Financial stability. Dropshipping trending products with high profit margins from the clothing niche provides a buffer against unforeseen expenses and market fluctuation, ensuring you build a sustainable business. Better customer experience. Working in an industry with high profit margins allows you to invest in sourcing high quality products and provide customers with exceptional shopping experiences. With that in mind, let's take a look at a comparison between dropshipping high-ticket versus low-ticket fashion products. Why dropship high-ticket over low-ticket fashion products? If you aren't familiar with the terms, high-ticket items refer to products of higher quality, such as designer clothing, which sell for higher prices and thus allow you to set up higher profit margins, while low-ticket items include products sold for cheaper prices and not of the greatest quality. Continue reading. The ultimate guide to high-ticket dropshipping. Taking that into account, choosing to dropship high-ticket fashion items instead of low-ticket ones brings a few significant advantages. Better sustainability. High-ticket dropshipping presents a more sustainable business model as it involves selling authentic branded products that have a higher perceived value. With fewer sellers in this niche, you face less competition and have a greater opportunity to establish your brand as a standout player in the market. Product value. When faced with the choice between cheap, low-quality items and expensive, luxury goods, customers are more inclined to invest in premium products that promise durability. Smaller return rate. Selling high-ticket items of premium quality often results in a lower number of dropshipping returns and fewer complaints. More targeted advertising. By dropshipping high-ticket items, your advertising efforts can be more focused, allowing you to target more specific buyer personas. How Brands Gateway enhances profitability. Are you looking to embark on a business journey that will allow you to launch and manage a profitable dropshipping store? Look no further than Brands Gateway. With luxury fashion products distinguished by impeccable craftsmanship and trending designs, dropshippers such as yourself are able to set high profit margins and earn extraordinary rewards. In this section, we uncover the secrets to harnessing high profit margins with Brands Gateway's exceptional offerings.